Hey everyone, and welcome back to REJA'S home decor ideas. If you are looking to bring a fresh, elegant touches to your space, you have landed in the right place. Today we are diving into something truly timeless yet trending. This Martha Stewart aesthetic at home, and trust me, you have never seen a style like this before. Imagine rustic charm meeting graceful elegance. Garden fresh herbs on your kitchen counter, soft neutral linen, antique dishes, vintage wood tones, and a table that looks like it came straight from a magazine spread. But it's all achievable right in your own home. In this video, I will be showing you how to style your kitchen, living room, and garden nook using simple and natural elements inspired by Martha Stewart's iconic look. And don't worry, I don't need a mansion or a massive budget. Every tips here is affordable, accessible, and full of personality. So stay with me till the end because I have got some styling secrets and bonus tips that truly bring the look together. If you are new here, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to REJA'S home decor ideas, and tap the notification bells for fresh daily inspiration straight to your screen.